screen off எடுத்துவேனா screen off எடுத்துவே screen shut off. Hi everybody. Hello. I can start, Vijaya. Start typing. Has the video gone live? Can somebody comment? Hi Vijaya. Hi Chandra. Hi Sudha. Hi, I'm Padma Badri from Mumbai, and today I'm going to show you a demo on peg dolls. Before that, I would like to thank Vijaya and Sudha for inspiring me, motivating me to do this demo today and giving me an opportunity to do a live demo. And I would like to thank all the members of Inspiring Thoughts and Arts. Am I audible? Can somebody comment if I'm audible? Okay. So this is how a peg doll looks before doing any kind of decoration. Can you just zoom? This is just one piece of wood. This is 6 inches long, and there are 2 holes for hands and legs. This wonderful peg doll art was introduced to me by my guru Kalyani Devanathan. So let's get started. So this peg doll, I have just colored it with this Fabrica tint, flesh tint. This is available in camel and Fevicryl. I have just used this to I've just used this to cover the face and the upper body where this gets exposed. I have used this to cover the upper body where it gets exposed. You can cover this covered with the dress. Okay, let's get started. You need this kind of wire gauge. This wire gauge is called Kambi in Tamil or Tanti in Kannada. So this wire gauge is what you require for the hands. This wire gauge I have bent 2 ones because of lockdown I am not getting a thicker one. Okay, this I put it inside. Okay, and bend it. Now this part I have to fold it. This part I have to fold it with a nose plier. Okay, both at the same place. Can you all see this? Yes. Now for this I'll be using strips of this cloth which you would have seen for cleaning the glass. This cloth is used for cleaning the glass. I'll be taking a strip of it. Okay, and a strip of 2x2 cotton skin color cloth. Okay, now using this, I'm using Fevicol glue. Take the center part of the cloth, cover it, and then we'll have to tie this tightly to make the hands. It's like this. Can you all see properly? This is just to give the thickness for the hands. Am I audible now? Am I clear? On the other side also, just keep wounding it like this around the wire. This mainly I am giving it from the back because this should not move this side and that side. The size of the hand should be same. Otherwise the wire tends to move between these two edges. So I have tend to give in between this, which will take the grip of it. Now on top of this we will put the skin color. Are you all able to hear me now? Now skin color also the same way. This thickness, it depends on if you are making a stout lady or a stout man or a thin lady. It depends on what thickness you want, you can make this. The yellow cloth. That yellow cloth is the car cleaning cloth which you get for glasses, so soft yellow cloth. Okay, this side is done. Similarly, when you take it onto this side, take it tightly. This back should be tight, otherwise it will pop out. So, our body framework is done. Now the next step is dressing our doll. So I have a small white thin piece of cloth which I will be just covering it here for the lehenga which I will be doing, so that I can stitch on it. I can use to stitch on it or stick it. This is just like the pavada which we do. So I will just stick it here. Thank you, Sudha. These dolls I have in 3 sizes, Vijaya. I got it done from a carpenter. So this is the male doll, this is the female doll, and this is the doll. You get it in 3 sizes. I mean, you don't have to make order with a carpenter. You can show the photo to a carpenter and make it done for him. The size depends on whatever size you want to make. Not necessarily this has to be used for a woman only. This can be used for a short man also. I actually got it done from Bangalore. I don't know any carpenter here. You can check out with your carpenters whom you know and can ask them to make it in bulk. This whole set came for about 170 to 180 rupees, male and female alone. This is one set. When you take a square piece of cloth, this is neck portion, small, would be the hand portion. This is how it is made. Okay, this is how I made this. So first we will stick from the back side. You will have to take it very tightly so there are no wrinkles there. Okay. This is how you do the back side of the blouse. Now moving on with the front. I am using Allfix Fevicol glue for this. This doll can actually be made by children also, because I am comfortable mostly with stitching. I am using needle and thread going ahead, but everything can be stuck if you are with Fevicol. Okay. So the body of the blouse is ready. Now we'll go with the hands. So this is the hand, one square piece of cloth, and you just cut here to get this. Okay. Generally when I do this for Navaratri, I do a theme work for Navaratri based on these dolls, taking a story up. I do it stitching with hands. But since sticking would be far more easier to many, I am just choosing to stick now. Can you all see? Okay, on this side also we will do the same. So here the blouse is ready. Next we will go with the lehenga. So I have taken a rectangular piece of cloth and I have just stuck this kind of lace which you get. I have stuck it using Fevicol, all fix. Now using needle and thread, this is a normal running stitch which I will be doing. See here, can you all see? This is a normal running stitch which I am doing. You can all watch my YouTube channel in the name of Padma Badri itself, where I have depicted all the Navratri Golus using the same dolls. So this is a normal. I am deliberately taking a white thread so you can see it. Black thread won't be visible much. Okay, we have done till here. Now to get the frills, we will just pull this, gather this. Now we will have to stitch it or stick it, whichever you are comfortable you can do it. As I said, I am comfortable stitching, so I am doing this. Okay, here we will just fold this cloth and stitch it. Are you all able to follow me? This is stitched. I am just doing one more round of stitching to just secure it tightly. Along with the cloth I had stuck inside. I am stitching this along with the cloth I had stuck inside. I'm sorry, the power went off. See?
It's back.
Okay, so I've just put her the bangles. Now,
Monali Parihar wants to be in the live session.
huh?
Monali Parihar has to be in the live session. It's into the process.
Is it live now?
Yeah, it is live.
So I'll do the I'm using this kind of chain rings which you get. You can use anything. Okay, decoration is over now. Now I have to put the dupatta. So this is a rectangular piece of golden cloth which you use for the golden blouse cloth. I have used that, and I've just stuck with all fix one lace. Okay, this I will be folding it, and I'll have to stitch it here. Seeing the size, I'll have to stitch it here. Okay. Importantly, hands you can change the way you want to. Like you can do it as namaskar, you can keep it as high, you can do, I mean whatever hand action you want, you can do it in these kind of dolls because these are flexible. Okay, I've just stitched it here. Who are comfortable with glue, they can very well go ahead with glue and stick this also layer by layer, not an issue. So here using all fix, I am sticking it here. Okay, and this part I will get it from the back. You all see? And stick it inside this. Okay. Yeah, when I got it done from the carpenter itself, I asked him to put small holes. This is both holes. Depending on that, you can use this as a sitting position also if you are doing for legs. Otherwise, standing position, you don't need to use this hole. I will show you how you have to do the sitting posture also. So, this lehenga is done. I'll stick this now. Here, if it is big, don't worry, we can just stitch it here. I have taken a little bigger cloth, not an issue, we can stitch it here. Like how we do adjustment for sari, the same way it can be done for the dolls also. Okay, this is set. Now I have this lace. I hope I'm not going too fast. Now this lace, I'm using it as an odyanam, as a waistband, like this. Put it tightly. You can stick it if you are comfortable. I'm just going ahead and stitching it. Yes, Vijaya, entire my golu, if you go and see in my YouTube channel, you can see the entire golu. I will show some of my dolls as done only in this. The best part of this is you can remove all the dress, make the same wooden piece, recolor it, and then use it. It's good to go for the next Navratri. And since these are wooden, it's very easy to handle. You can just put it in a box, nothing will happen to it. I'm just taking one
Question from Sudha Kailas. Face alone you need to paint.
I paint face to the upper part, because only then this part is visible, right? So I cover it in skin color. You can cover the entire thing, but it is going to go behind the clothes. You'll be just wasting your paint. So the choice is yours. So here one. Okay. Now I am going for the hair. You get this kind of hair. I got this from Raja Market from Bangalore. I think it is available in Crawford Market in Mumbai, and in Chennai I am not sure where it is available. Somebody from Chennai group can help whoever wants. So I am just taking like this size. Okay, and I'll cut it here. So this can be removed. Okay, and this has to be separated like this to get a bushy hair. Okay, you can use woolen also. If you don't get this, alternatively you can use woolen, black woolen thread. Doll makers will definitely have this. For those who don't have, what features you're talking of, Sudha? Cover the entire head with the glue.
Sudha Kailas has written, Chennai T Nagar Raja stores has to if Park area is closed.
Okay, thank you, Sudha. For all Chennaites, you can pick up from there. It's available in which stores?
Chennai T Nagar
T
Raja
Nagar
stores.
Raja stores. show Sudha. I'm coming to no eyes, nose, lips. Okay. If you want thicker hair, you can put a little more glue. Why I choose to do the hair last is to do all this jewelry. When you attach the hair, it becomes difficult. So once you are done with the jewelry making, then you can go for this. And then take a small piece of hair like this, fold it to make that bun, hair bun. The hair bun. Okay. And I have taken one strip of hair and I have put this kind of beads to make it look pretty. Okay. This I'll be sticking it here on the bun. And I have this kind of small beads chain. This I will just put it as a flower thing on her head. Okay. So her hair is also done. Now coming to the eyes, nose. There are two ways to do it. I generally do the drawing with a marker pen, black marker pen. I do the drawing. You can alternatively use clay or you can use molded. I'll show you the way I generally do it. Can you all see? Okay. This is the mark OH permanent marker, black permanent marker. Using the red permanent marker, I do the lips. Okay. I will show in some dolls I have kept a clay and made the nose to give a sharper look. And then I'll have to keep a bindi for her. I'm using one red stone. we are left with the earring. Okay. Now for earrings, I will use this kind of jhumkas which you get. If you don't have anything, you can just stick 2 beads. White money which you get, the half cut money which you get, I don't have it right now. You can just stick those 2 here. So I'll do it with these. Okay. You want me to repeat any step?
So sure.
Okay. See, we have done this chain. Then I did the bindi. For the hair, I have put this money, smaller monies. So using a black thread, I am using 1 white bead first because the whole of this one is little bigger, so the knot comes out of it. So I take a small bead so that it takes the knot, and then put this jhumka. Okay. So for people who are not into doll making and who want to try, definitely can just use these kind of beads, 5 to 6 beads, and you get a long earring.
Savita Murthy is saying, nose, can you show how will you do?
This nose, Savita is only using a black marker. I will show you. Later on I will show you. In clay I have used in some places, but only thing when I was not introduced to mold it then, so clay you'll have to keep it carefully, otherwise it becomes flat when something is kept on it. Molded, now since molded is rampant in the market, you can use it to just stick the nose there. Now this earring is ready. I am just putting it, stitching it here. Okay. Now the same way, first I'll put a bead. First I'll put a bead. What's this? And then this jhumka. Okay. And then this golden bead. Okay. Now stick it here at the ear. Okay. Now this doll is ready. Decorations is all left to you, your imaginations and your creativity. Okay, this hand you can keep it however you want to. You want to keep it in folding position, you can keep it in folding position, and you can stitch it here or just keep it down. This is flexible, so you can change the pose of the hand according to your theme. And using,
how many inches is the doll?
The doll is 6 inches. Okay, easy. I'll show you some of my other dolls which I have made for Navratri. See, this is Vittal Rakumai which I made.
Yes, you're back.
Can you all see? Can I move on to the next doll? Okay. Then I made a bride and a bridegroom. For this, I forgot to show you the legs. For the legs, you have to put the kavi like this and fold it if it's a folding posture. Can you all see? And then the same procedure as you wound for the hand, you have to wound for the legs also. This portion also should be bent. Okay?
Not able to see.
Can you all see?
Now,
Plain cloth. Wait.
it's better.
Can you all see? As I put for the hand, I have put it in the lower hole for the leg. And I have just bent it because it is going to be in a sitting position. And the same procedure as you wound for the hand, the 2 layer of cloth, you have to do it. And in case like this bride where she has kept her leg up, so whichever leg is going to go up, you have to just take it like this and fold it like this. Okay? Okay? Is it visible? Can somebody reply? Is it clear and visible?
It's clear.
Okay. So this is how you do for the legs for which the hole. Can you all see?
Now it's back.
Yeah. This is the bride and bridegroom.
One second. Yeah, visible.
If you keep it straight, then they can see instead of just bending it. You know?
I cannot keep it straight.
And then I did this Krishna for Janabai story.
Back.
I did this Brahma and Saraswati using that forehand method.
Yes, visible. Blue paint, someone asked. So
Yeah, blue paint and blue cloth for Krishna. Face are painted blue, and the hand cloth, I have not taken the skin cloth, but I have taken the light blue cloth. So for Brahma, what I have done is, you get these kind of faces in the market, doll face. I have colored this one with skin color. This is the plain one which you get, this is the skin color. You can cut this and stick it on this face. Okay, it will look some.
Is it clear now?
Is it clear? Yeah, this is a canvas cloth face. It can be stuck on the doll face and used. The only disadvantage is you will have to go with the expression that was on the face. You cannot give your own expressions to the doll. There is an easier way for people who find it difficult to draw. Alternatively, I said you can use the eyes, nose with mold it or clay.
Chandra Varma says pose the pic separately.
Okay, so this is Brahma and this is Saraswati. For Brahma, I have used all the 4 faces in that cloth face, canvas cloth face. This I did, I don't know, I know only the Tamil name. This is called Korati, the fortune teller in olden days. So I have colored the skin face brown color, and the cloth also I have taken brown, and this is Korati. This is one girl which I had done who is giving a surprised look. So you can change the face according to the scene you are creating. And see, as I told, you can only use 3 beads for the ear.
Narmada Mahesh has asked forehand technique how to do.
4 hands, the same string which I have used it in, see, these are 2 strings. So in the same hole you have to take a thinner string and put these 2. It's bent. Can you all see? So this becomes the upper one, that becomes the lower one, and the method of doing everything else is the same. So here the expression is surprised expression. Here I have given an angry expression. This I have made an old lady. This is the sitting posture, where I have kept only 1 bead, half bead which you get, that is the earring. This is Mohiniyattam. I have given a nose here with the clay. I have stuck it with Fevicol. This is Purandaradasar. Again I have given a nose here with clay. The regular normal clay which children use, that clay only I have used.
What is the height of this doll?
All dolls are 6 inches tall.
That's what somebody
I may have made a king and queen, Raja Rani.
Yeah.
This is our Tamil Nadu style 9-yard sari.
Vijaya Balakrishnan is asking, how do you got legs?
There are no legs, no? For the sitting posture, I have used like this, bent, and I wound it. This is for the sitting posture. I have wound it inside. That's the same, like this.
Yes.
This is 9-yard sari.
No, previous one. Yes.
Which one?
Um,
This, okay. This I have put clay. For Vittala also I have put clay. For Vittala also I have put clay, where from this bench I have only put clay here in the front portion.
Ranjani Ashok is asking, where do we get this peg base?
Peg base I got it done from a carpenter in Bangalore.
Before Raja Rani, Vijaya Balakrishnan is asking. That all.
Which did I show before Raja Rani? What doll? Can you name which doll I showed? The old lady?
Was it this?
Was it this?
Was it this or the previous one?
Vijaya, which doll you are talking of? Okay. This same method which I showed here. It's not lifted here, it's like this.
Narmada Mahesh is asking, Vittal, show it once again. Vijaya Balakrishnan is saying, Purundara only you have showed.
This is Vittal Rakumai.
Vijaya Balakrishnan is telling, Purundara only you have showed.
Haan. This is Purandara Dasa.
Okay, oh, she is still.
Okay.
Savitha Murthy is saying, old lady so real.
And this is Parkadal Vishnu. You'll have to bend. I can't do that here.
You want me to hold it?
With the same dolls. Only thing, this doll, so this size.
Do you want me to hold?
Can you all see?
It's visible on camera.
Can you all see?
I'll zoom in a bit.
This I did an modern girl. This is one more modern girl.
Keep it in this way. Yeah, better. I don't see any comments.
To get an idea on the theme based, you can visit Padma Badri YouTube. Only advantage is you can give your expressions to the doll. You can create angry, astonished, happy, any kind of doll. And you can also see here the hand is folded.
One second, let me
Here for Vittala, the hand is on his hips. So the hand, since it can be bent, you can do anyway.
I don't see any questions.
I hope you all enjoyed the session. Connected. See, for this jawl, it's very easy to do. I'll just show. I'm not doing it. I'll just show how it has to be done. You have to just stitch this along, stick it.
Can you take it more to the center?
Wait. Where the cloth fell. See. Just wrap it around and stick it. Then take 2 strips of cloth. Just stitch it from the inside here to this side. Okay? It's only this much. You stitch it here and at the back. So this doll is only that much. That full maxi kind of. So once again, show the face here. So I'd once again like to thank Vijaya and Sudha for me to do this, and for my son Parth, who has been behind the screen working on the camera. Okay, shall I end the session?
Now everyone will start shopping peg dolls. Says Sheila Peg dolls. Easy to do modern dress.
Okay, thank you so much for the live session. Bye. And